Daily markup for Euro USD for Wednesday the 25th of October. This is the daily chart. We are bearish. We've had a break of structure over here, and after that we expect price to pull back. The pullback has commenced. We've had a change of character here, after which again price pulls back, and then so this is the internal of the pullback. So internally the daily is bullish because we are now on the pullback phase. We came into this supply zone and we were expecting price to react from here, and we can see that the reaction has happened. That reaction has now happened into this kind of daily demand zone. Is this a strong demand zone? Well, you can say it is, because it led to a break of or rather a change of character, because it took out this high. So the long term would be that okay, price is now going to bounce from here and continue further. So that's my outlook as far as the daily is concerned. I'm thinking probably we'll do something like this and maybe reach these higher levels before coming further down. So that's as far as the daily is concerned. Moving on to the 4-hourly chart, we are obviously bullish over here because we are right now inside the daily pullback. We tapped into this supply zone. I had my supply zone drawn on this candle, but then I've included this also because we've had a very strong reaction. We've come into the, I think, the discount. If you just look at the fib tool and draw a premium and discount, so yes, we are this is premium, this is discount, so price has already come into the discount. We had a zone here and we have kind of reacted from here. This zone also had some nice inducement over here, and if we talk about that inducement, probably on the 4-hour we could look at this, the sell to buy, or rather buy to sell wicks as the point before liquidation. So if I was to mark this perhaps and say that okay, we'll wait for this is our point before liquidation, and we'll wait for price to kind of break through this and then enter on the demand that we get. So what I mean is that probably price comes in here, it reacts, and then it kind of goes up, and then when it comes down again over here, that's where we kind of play the long from. So this would be the zone from where we could, the 4-hour, from where we can directly play this. So this is going to be my outlook if I was to look at the H4. Of course, we can be interested only if this zone fails over here. Moving on to the M15. Obviously, the M15 is also bullish. We've had a break of structure here. This was an overextended run, and then we kind of pulled back, and we are in this zone. So again, if you look at what was the point that actually led to this is nice inducement, equal lows, and what was the point that actually led to the liquidation? Well, arguably this is the zone. So on the M15 you could possibly say that this is the point before liquidation, and we'll wait for this to kind of go before saying that okay, we are now ready to look for longs. So these are the two zones that we could really look for price to kind of break through, and then start looking for longs from whatever demand zones that set up. So this is this is more or less the outlook that I have in mind. Today we also have news at 9 a.m. and 9:35. This is of course New York time, I guess. Or let me just this is this is London time, since these days I'm looking at New York. So where is New York? I'll probably put this as Eastern time. Yeah. Save settings. So this would be 4 a.m. and 4:35. So right now we are at 12. So yeah, so these are the news events that are there. I of course also asked my good friend ChatGPT, and I must also tell you that you can you can have some custom instructions which tell you how you'd like it to respond. More on this later, but essentially I gave it 3 charts. This is the daily, this is the 4-hourly, and this is the 15-minute. And I said that please kind of assess this and look at your, you have immense knowledge on smart money concepts, supply, demand, support, resistance, ICT. And this is what it recommended, that, this should be your long, this should be your entry, stop loss, take profit. And then it gave something, but I said, you did not consider the 15-minute chart, and it apologized for that oversight. And then it gave this and said that the pair has recently shown a strong bearish move from the area around 1.069. That's talking about this move downwards, and a newfound support around 1.06. It's talking about this zone. The structure indicates potential support resistance flip near 1.062, somewhere here. This means the area that previously acted as resistance might act as support now. So, okay. So we're saying that this area, essentially what it means is, this, let me just draw it very quickly for you. So probably this area that we're looking at, let me change the color. So it's saying that this is that area which acted as resistance. Price came here, went back, came here, went bounced, came here, bounced, and then it kind of went through. So this is some previous area of resistance around the 1.062 mark, So what it's saying now is that this means the area that previously acted as resistance might act as support. A bullish reaction near 1.062 level could signal a potential reversal for a short-term long trade. And this is what it recommends. And I have it already kind of drawn here. And yeah, let's see what happens if this trade actually plays out. We'll wait and watch, but this is what the recommendation is. Cool. Happy trading.